children. As I said you all in the last video, in this lesson we are mainly going to study about how to find the areas of parallelograms and triangles which are standing on the same base and between the same parallels. Anta. What I thought is, instead of explaining it separately, the first exercise what you have in your textbook, that is exercise 11.1, the whole exercise is about identifying whether the given figures are standing on same base and between the same parallels or not. Anta. So, if we solve this problem, the concept also will be clear to you, 2 words at a time. So, I am solving the first exercise 11.1. The question is, find out among all these 6 figures which are the figures which are standing on same base and between the same parallels, and also we need to mention which are the 2 figures which are standing on the same base and between the same parallels as well. So look at the first figure here. We have a parallelogram ABCD is the first thing what you can see. And inside the parallelogram we have a triangle PDC, isn't it? So it is not like only one figure, parallelogram ಒಳಗೆ parallelogram, triangle ಒಳಗೆ triangle ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. There is no such rules. Any 2 figures or any 2 figures with planar region, for that sake, whether they are standing on same base or not, we should see. Now if you look, we find it out that there is one parallelogram ABCD and there is one triangle PDC, isn't it? PDC one triangle, ABCD bandu parallelogram. Now both this parallelogram as well as this triangle are standing on the same baseline DC or CD, isn't it? They are standing on the same base CD. So parallel for all the problems, you should write one sentence like this throughout, children. I will be sending orally, telling orally for few. You should put it in your classbook in the sentence form. Parallelogram ABCD and triangle PDC are standing on the same base CD and are they between the same between the parallels or not, antano we should find out. Since we know ABCD is a parallelogram, we know from properties of parallelogram that opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So equal and parallel as well. So AB is parallel to CD agogutte. AB parallel to CD andre the vertex of the triangle P also lie on that same line AB. Ega suppose P illittu ankona, higittu triangle andre children, the point P is not lying on the line AB. So we cannot say both the triangle as well as parallelogram are between the same parallels anta. But in this, the triangle vertex is touching the topmost line of the parallelogram at a point P. So we can say that triangle ADC and parallelogram ABCD are standing on the same baseline CD as well as they are between the same parallels. Which are those 2 parallel lines or opposite sides of the parallelogram AB and CD. So parallelogram ABCD and triangle PDC are standing on the same base CD and between the same parallels AB and CD. Simply ABCD and baribardu, you should show the line segment upon it mentioning that they are sides. So between the same parallel AB and CD, children. It is very simple. Same base between same parallels. When we solve more number, you will understand. Now look at this figure. It has 2 parallelograms. First one what you can see is outer parallelogram PQRS. we can see parallelogram PQRS, and one more parallelogram you have inside, which is MNRS. MNRS. PQRS is one parallelogram, MNRS is one parallelogram. Both the parallelograms have same base, isn't it? They are standing on same base. Look, both the sides are touching the end vertex points R and S. So, they stand, parallelogram PQRS and parallelogram MNRS stand on the same base RS. Next question is, are they lying between the same parallels? Anta. For PQRS, which is the opposite sides, PQ and RS. Similarly, MNRS, if you consider MN and RS, so it has common side, that is RS, but there are two opposite sides for two triangles separately, though they have the same base, PQ and MN. The question is, are they lying between the same parallels or not? So the answer is no. They are standing on same base RS, but they are not lying between the same two parallels. Yakandra, here children, this line PQ is parallel to MN, which MN, the side of second parallelogram, which is again parallel to the base RS or SR. Hence, parallelogram PQRS and MNRS are standing on the same base, but all these three sides are parallel to each other. In this figure, if you see, it is very much similar to the first problem, but the thing is, this figure is tilted, in the rotate madidare, half rotation. So, it is not like always children, the base should be illa irbeku, kedage irbeku baseline anta enilla. It can be here as well if you consider. Now, it is very much similar to first problem. First, what you can see is a parallelogram PQRS you can see, and inside you can see a triangle TRQ or TQR, however you can label. We can see parallelogram PQRS and triangle TQR, which are standing on, and just write which is the base and which are the parallel sides children. You should write the complete sentence. Are standing on the same base RQ. Figurally, how did you decide that the base is RQ andre? Because the vertex of the triangle point T lies here, no children. So it is understood this is the base anta ashte. So it is standing on the same base RQ. Since T is also present or lying on the same line along the side PS, it is lying between the same parallel PS and RQ anta heltira. So these two are the figures which says that they are standing between the same base and between the same parallels. Fourth figure, if you consider, it is similar to third question, isn't it? First we can say ABCD is one parallelogram. Again inside you have one triangle, RPQ is the triangle. But look here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಈ other two sides of the triangle in both the cases used to join near the vertex itself. End points of parallelogram ಏನಿದೆ children, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ join ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. But if you consider here, points P and Q, now vertex R of the triangle is on this line. Whereas the other two vertex P and Q are lying on this line BC, but not at BC. They are not touching BC, but ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. It is like this. Separate ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗಿದೆ. It is not touching here. Vertex ಗೆ touch ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Instead it is inside. ಈ points ಗೆ ಇದೆ. In that case, what is the parallelogram ABCD ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. When you consider triangle RPQ children, what is the base of the triangle? You won't tell it is as BC. You say it as PQ, isn't it? So, here all the lines andre AB is parallel to CD as well as AD is parallel to CD. But both the parallelogram and triangle are not lying on the same base. Why? Because triangle has its base as PQ and not as BC. And it also but it is lying between the same parallel. That you see. ಈಗ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ ಆಗೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್, they are lying between same parallel AD and BC. So we have come across the figures where the two figures are lying between the same base and same parallels, and sometimes it is lying on the same base but not between the same parallels. Again we have came across one more example which is lying between the same base, which is not lying on the same base but it is lying between the same two parallels. All the possibilities will be there. You should carefully observe the figure. Fifth question, if you see, you have two parallelograms here again. ABCD is one parallelogram adre, ABCD one adre, one more parallelogram we have APQD. APQD. Now, of both the parallelograms ABCD and APQD, they have same base AD. Alva? Though you have two separate parallelograms, children, they are meeting at the common vertex AD. So, they lie on same base, which is AD. Again, since this points B, P, C, Q all lie on the same line, we say this whole line is nothing but BQ anta. So, both the parallelograms are standing on same base and between the same parallels AD and BQ or BC, anything you can take. All the points, if they are lying on the same line, then we can say that or they are on the same line andre they are between same base anta we can say. So same base bandu AD, parallels bandu E two sides. So they are lying on same base and between the same parallels. Sixth one, if you see, idu henge tagobodu andre there are three regions here. Idu ಒಂದು, isn't it children? So PASD, ABCD, BQBRC are the different three regions we have. So they are, if you observe here, all the lines are parallel to each other. Like PS is parallel to AD, AD is parallel to BC, BC is parallel to QR. So these lines what they have given are just parallel to each other, but they are not lying on the same base nor between the same parallel. So these, in this figure you will just mention that all the given lines are parallel to each other, but they are not lying between the same base nor between the same parallels. So hope you have understood the concept of two figures which lie between the same base and between the same parallels, andre same line. So make sure that you carefully observe whether those two lines itara ade vertex ge join agidya agilva anta concentrate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only you can answer it properly. So this is one important thing what you have to understand in order to solve the problems, children. So this completes your first exercise, exercise 11.1. In the next session, I will be explaining you the very first theorem of this lesson. There we will prove that two parallelograms. A best example is question number 5. We have two parallelograms which are lying on the same base and between the same parallels. What is our aim here? We are going to find the area of parallelograms. What type of parallelograms? Parallelograms of this type which are lying on the same base and between the same parallels. then they are equal in area. Andre here we say area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram APQD anta we are proving in theorem 3.1, which we will be discussing in the next session. Thank you, children.